Hi, I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Dana.
And this is the MultiPly tabletop
from FurnitureLab.
MultiPly tops offer both sleek looks and high performance.
A clever way to incorporate a subtle wood accent into any space.
I love the design. It's wonderful, but if I wanted to customize something with my school's mascot or my company's logo, the colors.
Boom. Smack it right in the middle of the MultiPly tabletop.
The MultiPly features a 1-inch thick Baltic birch plywood core.
I love the multiplo table.
No, Dana, it's MultiPly.
Multiply.
18 standard stains, or we can match a custom stain.
Multiply.
MultiPly.
Muscify. 3 edge profiles: slight bull nose, reverse knife, or flat eased. Flunkin' die.
Dana, how can you not get this? You're the one who named this table.
Okay, well, in my mind, MultiPly was a very good name.
10-year warranty.
Made in the USA.
FurnitureLab.
Crafted to connect.